everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Venmo profile picture. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to change their Venmo profile picture, but how do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're going to first do is that you're going to hop into your Venmo account, and then you're going to click on the gear icon on the upper right hand corner, and then from here you're going to click on account. Next you're going to click on profile. Now right here you just have some blurred information just because that stuff's not important, but you're just going to click on the edit icon next to your initials, and then from here you can either choose from your library profile picture or you can actually take a photo yourself. So if I decide to take a photo, you're just going to click on allow, take your photo, and then with that you can drag and drop it as far as which do you want to use for your profile image, and then click on choose. Afterwards you're just going to click on save. But that is essentially how to change your profile image on Venmo. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.